Imagine a world where being paralyzed does not mean being silenced. A breakthrough in brain technology is giving voice to the voiceless. US scientists have developed an astounding device that can translate paralyzed individuals' brain signals into words, and at speeds we've never seen before. Published in 2 papers in the renowned journal Nature, this groundbreaking technology is promising new hope. Meet Pat Bennett, a 68-year-old with motor-neurone disease. Once an active individual, Pat's diagnosis in 2012 took away her ability to ride horses, jog, and most importantly, to speak. Stanford University's innovative research led to the implantation of 4 sensors into her brain. These sensors decode the words she intends to say, transforming them into written text. As Dr. Frank Willett, co-author of the study, explains, the system is trained to interpret phonemes and predict words, even if there are slight inaccuracies. After just 4 months of training, Pat's thoughts were being translated on a screen at a speed of 62 words per minute. A considerable leap from the previous rate. And it doesn't stop there. A separate study from the University of California, San Francisco enabled a stroke patient named Anne to communicate using a digital avatar, capturing even her facial expressions. Thanks to AI advancements, this technology's potential is vast. The aim? To transform it into a medical device for real-time communication. Today, individuals with MND can save their voice, using their eyes to communicate through a screen. However, this new research could revolutionize this method, making communication faster and more efficient. While the MND Association is optimistic about the potential of this research, they emphasize that it's still in its early stages. A future where every voice is heard, no matter the challenge, is on the horizon. Stay tuned for more breakthroughs in science and technology.